In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate screen on Windows 11. Rotating your display can be incredibly useful, whether you're reading long documents, coding with more vertical space, or setting up a unique monitor layout. Windows 11 makes this quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get it right the first time. Start by opening the Settings app. The fastest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. That key combination launches the main settings window so you don't have to hunt through menus. Once settings is open, you'll land on a page with several categories down the left side. Click on System. This section controls your core device options, and it's where display settings live. Inside System, select Display. This page manages how your screen looks and behaves, including brightness, resolution, scaling, and, of course, orientation. Scroll gently if you need to, and look for the option called Display Orientation. It's typically located in the Scale and Layout area. This is the control that changes how Windows renders your desktop across the screen. Click the Display Orientation drop-down, and you'll see 4 choices: Landscape, Portrait, Landscape, Flipped, and Portrait, Flipped. Landscape is the standard wide layout most people use. Portrait rotates the screen 90 degrees, which is great for reading or coding when your monitor is physically turned upright. Landscape, Flipped, and Portrait, Flipped, rotate the screen in the opposite directions, essentially mirroring the movement. These flipped options are helpful if your monitor stand or mounting setup requires the screen to rotate the other way to appear right side up. Choose the orientation that matches how your monitor is physically positioned. As soon as you pick one, your display will rotate to preview the change. Windows will usually prompt you to confirm. If the new orientation looks correct, confirm to keep it. If something doesn't look right, don't worry. If you don't confirm within a short countdown, Windows will automatically revert to your previous layout, so you're never stuck with an unusable screen. This makes it safe to try each option until your setup looks perfect. That's all there is to it. Open Settings with Windows +I, go to System, click Display, find Display Orientation, and pick the view that fits your workspace. With the right orientation, your screen becomes more comfortable and efficient for the way you work.